Let's look at this question. Simplify. You are giving the relation of log 81 upon 32 into 343 raised to the power 5 plus log 16 upon 27 into 49 raised to the power 3 plus log 117649 into 16 upon 9 raised to the power 4. Okay, so I know I can multiply these numbers, right? Because the property of log is log A plus log B plus log C on the same base can be written as log A into B into C, correct? But I have powers here, right? And you can look at the answer. This is some combination of 40, 42, 40, right? This is some combination of 3, 2, and 7, right? I need to break down these powers into their constituent primes. I can see 3 year, 2 year, 7 year, 2, 3, 7 year, 7, 2, 3 here, right? So this first term become log of 81 means 3 raised to the power 4, right? Upon 2 raised to the power 5 into 7 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5 plus log of 16 mean 2 raised to the power 4 upon 3 raised to the power 3 into 7 square raised to the power 3 plus log 117649. It is nothing but 7 raised to the power 6 into 2 raised to the power 4 and 3 square raised to the power 4. Now, these powers become 3 raised to the power 5 into 4, 20. 2 raised to the power 5 become 25 and 7 raised to the power 15. And I'm using the property log A plus log B log C is equal to log A into B into C. It becomes, this becomes 2 raised to the power 12 upon 3 raised to the power 339, 7 raised to the power 6 into 7 raised to the power 24 into 2 raised to the power 16 upon 3 raised to the power 8. So I can cancel out these. Okay, so these powers are in multiplication. So these numbers are in multiplication with same base. So powers needs to be added. This is 21. And if I divide this with 7, I am left with log of 7 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 25. This is 12 and 16. 2 raised to the power 28. This is 2 raised to the power 25. I'm left with 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 20. And this is 3 raised to the power 17. So I'm left with 3 raised to the power 3. Or I can write it as log of 7 into 2 into 3 raised to the power 3. Or I can bring this 3 to 3 in front of log. So it becomes log of 3 times log of 7 into 2, 14 into 3 is 42. 3 times log 42. And option C is the correct answer.